G'day, I'm Kenneth Thompson from Navico Australia, and I'm here with the team from UltimateMarinePower to show you what one of the latest and probably one of the best features I've ever seen on a radar. It's called the VelocityTrack feature, and we're going to show you in depth what it actually does and how it works and how it really does help you with your situational awareness when you're out on the water to make sure you reduce the risk of any sort of collisions. So what is a halo radar? That's one spinning around on the top there. It's available in a 3, a 4 and a 6 foot version. It's a pulse compression radar. There's no magnetron in there, so they're very safe and easy to use. They always park straight, which is one of the features I love most about it. They've got little blue LEDs on the side of it too, which is pretty cool. But the best part about it is it's simple to use, and the whole point about it is to make sure you're avoiding collisions with other boats or navigating safely through anywhere. It doesn't matter if you've never used a radar before, you'll be able to use this one very easily. So what are we looking at on the screen of a radar? Obviously signals going out, hitting targets and coming back to us. On the screen at the moment we can see Manly Yacht Harbour over here with all the AIS targets showing up on there. We've got Green Island over this side here with a few boats anchored off the back of it. And we've got King Island behind us here with the sandbar that joins up there to the mainland at low tide. It's even starting to show up on there. There's even a yacht coming towards us here on the VelocityTrack, which we'll talk more about in a minute. But it's just a great way to know if this could be pitch dark or heavy rain, like there's some rain coming over the horizon now. It could be really bad conditions and you can still feel safe by looking at the radar screen. So for today's example, we've got another little small fiberglass boat out here. We're going to get him to drive past us, and then as he's moving away on the radar screen, you'll see him show up as a grey target because he's diverging, moving away. And then we'll get him to turn around, and as he comes back to us, he'll turn into a yellow colour because he's coming back to us faster. There he goes. So you can see him coming towards us now on the radar screen. It's so easy. Bright yellow target means he's coming towards us. If it's grey, it means he's moving away. There he goes. We're having too much fun with this new velocity feature out here today. We had to show you some more. Just cruising along here, talking about what we're going to talk about next. And you can see 1, 2, 3 bright yellow targets on here. One's a yacht going out, or coming towards us. There's another yacht coming out of Manly Harbour. The best part is one's a jet ski. Now, for the radar to pick up a jet ski coming towards us, that's pretty cool to start with, and to show him as a yellow target on the screen, awesome. So if you do have 2 halo radars on your boat, which I think everyone should, you only need to buy 1 license, and that'll unlock the feature for both of those halo radars. So if you want to know if your equipment's actually capable of doing this VelocityTrack feature, it's pretty simple. All you really need is one of our fantastic halo radars. The halo radar, doesn't matter if it's a 3, a 4 or a 6 foot unit, will handle the VelocityTrack once you buy the unlocking code. Very simple. So the Doppler feature itself, or the Doppler Effect as you may have heard before, what is happening is, as your frequency of the radar signal's going out, it's hitting a target. If the target's coming towards you, it's bouncing back stronger, which increases the frequency. If the target's moving away, it decreases the frequency. Put it in simple terms, if I threw a tennis ball out of a car, or a boat I should say out here, if there's a boat coming towards us and I throw a tennis ball at it, it's going to bounce back a lot faster than if the car or the boat was driving the opposite direction and I threw the tennis ball. Not going to bounce back as quick. That's the simple way to look at how the VelocityTrack feature works. The brains behind it is quite technical, but Simrad can do it for you. So thanks for watching today. I'm sure you got a lot out of this video. The halo radar, the VelocityTrack feature is fantastic. Subscribe to the YouTube channel below here and make sure you keep an eye out for the next time we make some more awesome videos on what you can do with your boat.